I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon in the upper 50s to the 60s. Clouds mixed with the sun tomorrow for highs mainly in the 50s. Northwest Kansas slightly milder tomorrow with highs in the low to mid 60s. South wind gusts increase to 35 to 45 by tomorrow afternoon. Light rain and snow, maybe just sprinkles or flurries are possible as the strong cold front dives south tomorrow night. Northwest wind gusts to 35 tomorrow night and to 50 or higher on Thursday, including a few gusts of 60. Highs Thursday, more seasonal in the upper 30s to the mid 40s. A warm front Friday quickly boosts our highs to mostly the 60s. Behind a cold front, highs Saturday are in the 50s to the low 60s. Sunday even cooler with highs in the 40s to the low 50s before highs in the upper 40s to the 50s on Monday. In the long-term forecast, temperatures for Nebraska, Kansas, and nearly all of the U.S. likely to be warmer than normal Sunday through the Monday after Christmas. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation Sunday through December 29th indicated to be below normal. Key weather factors the markets are watching include mild temperatures ending the year in most of the U.S. and rain for much of South America. Unusually heavy precipitation from the Pacific Northwest falls as far inland as western Montana and northwestern Wyoming. Warm, dry weather prevails the next 5 days from Southern California to the central and southern plains. A cold front crossing the eastern half of the U.S. is preceded by widespread rain and snow from the Mississippi Valley eastward, mostly Thursday through Friday. Behind the front, late week temperatures plunge below zero in the upper Midwest. By this weekend, the pattern continues to be warm in nearly all of the U.S., while cold air lingers in Canada. A cold front this weekend brings areas of rain and briefly cooler air across the north. Northern areas of the U.S. continue to be the target for active weather along the Canadian border next week with a couple of storms. Above normal temperatures continue through the end of the year in a vast majority of the U.S., possibly with record highs around Christmas, especially for the southern half of the U.S. Mississippi River water levels continue to be quite low for transportation. A small boost in water levels from melting snow in the Midwest won't be enough and more precipitation is needed. In southern Brazil, increasing rain today, followed by more rain early next week. Central Brazil rain was lighter this past week, but good coverage still improves soil moisture. Rain continues this week in central Brazil with conditions continuing to be favorable or improving. Across Argentina, rain this early week benefited areas that were starting to get dry. Southern Argentina stays mostly dry until rain this weekend. Increasing rainfall in Argentina over the next week or so keeps the soil moisture favorable for developing corn and soybeans. Overseas in Europe, scattered rain the next couple of days, and this weekend benefits areas of Italy and parts of Spain that are in need. Soil moisture is favorable across much of the rest of Europe for dormant winter wheat. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.